Hello friends, welcome to Be Gorgeous with me. Today I am having an amazing hair straightening DIY for you all. For that you will need a white tooth comb, a small tooth comb, a few clips if you would like to use, and a hairspray with milk in it. I have used 1 cup of milk. So first what I'll do is I'll take the white tooth comb and start to remove my tangles from the hairs. Before doing this DIY, please make sure that you remove all the tangles so that it is easier to apply the milk on the hair evenly all over. So I'm just removing all the tangles and just taking few sections, taking one section and just trying to take a small section and applying the spray, milk spray all over the sectioned hair and trying to massage so that the milk penetrates in the hairs properly, evenly. I am using here small bottle because I didn't got my bigger one. So if you have a bigger spray bottle, it is very good because it will help to spray more evenly and more properly. So I'm just combing the hair so that after applying the milk the hair is straightened enough. So now I'm taking the hairs, another section of the hair, and doing the same thing. Sorry. I'm here taking small sections and trying to occupy more of the spray in the hair, but as the bottle is small, so it is difficult for me to put properly the milk all over my hair. So as you can see, the hairs on my back are not properly covered with the milk because I didn't got a bigger bottle, spray bottle. So I'm just trying to sorry, do it with a smaller spray bottle. As you can see, when I'm done with spraying the milk, I'm combing my hair. This is because we are doing this DIY for straightening our hairs, right? So I'm combing because it will help our hair to straighten. Whatever waves are there in our hair, when we comb it, it will get straightened, and the milk will help in hardening the hair, and our hair will become straighter. So in this way I am just combing my hairs and applying the milk all over, trying to apply. The main idea here is to cover all the hairs using the milk. Either you use a spray bottle or you just uh, damp your hair little bit and just take some amount of milk on your palm and just evenly spread all over your hairs and just comb it properly, comb it straight so that it tends to be straight after the application of the milk. Actually the milk is very beneficial here because milk has a property of hair straightening. It straightens the hairs as it gets absorbed in the hair. It makes the hairs straighter. So I'm using this DIY to straighten my hair. Sorry, I'm having a cough. So here I'm doing I know that all my hairs are not covered properly with the milk, so I'm trying to put all the milk over the hairs. So just main focus on put the milk properly evenly on your hair and comb your hair properly straight enough so that they are straight. Don't try to bend them because if you will keep them straight you will get a better results. So I'm just trying to comb them and put them straight. So here I am combing my hair straight. When you apply milk, your hair tries to become harder, so it is difficult to comb. So keep on combing so that your hair tends to become straight enough. So here I am doing the other section, other side of my hair. Other side of the hair. And doing the same thing. Here I am not parting because I was tired of parting my hair and doing, because I have a small spray bottle. So I just randomly applying the milk all over my hair and just trying to cover as properly as I can. So I'm just spreading randomly. Please friends, the main idea here is to cover all your hairs with the milk. Either you use your spray bottle method or just randomly putting milk on your hairs and just evenly, because we need to cover all our hairs with the milk. So to show you the proper method I was trying to do, but it was little difficult for me. So I just tried to put as much as I can and started to comb my hair so that all the milk penetrates in my hairs. So this way you need to comb your hairs after you apply the milk. It helps in straightening the hair better. So just I'm applying the milk all over the hairs. If I would had a bigger bottle, it would have been easier job. I used to do this when last year also, when I did not had my permanent straightening. This remedy used to help me to straighten my hair whenever I used to have a special occasion that I know that I have to go out in the evening. So I used to do this in the morning and I used to get a proper and means straight hair without any heat or chemicals, and that was a very good thing. So you need to keep this milk on your hair for 20 minutes, minimum 20 minutes. If you want, you can keep it for 20 minutes or an hour also, and I'll be back after washing. So this is the results, friends. I washed my hairs in air dried it, not used any iron or any other thing, just